Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-150 XLT in blue jeans metallic, grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It has a 3.5-litre V6 engine, it's an EcoBoost, and it's a 4x4. It also has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, an XTR package, which means that it's nice and shiny, chrome grille, handles, bumper, and running board. It also has navigation as well as a backup camera. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have power pedals, lighting controls. There's a grab handle making it easier to get in, and your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as your odometer reading, and there's also a menu that you can toggle through. So we can get in there, display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have submenus. Your automatic select shifter has drive mode on the end, and when you press it, it'll appear on the dash, normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. In the center, there's a little cubby to put items, hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. You have a touch screen so you can go into your options like sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You also have navigation, and this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. So when we put the vehicle in reverse, that's where you're going to see it. There you go. Let's get back into park. And in your settings, you can slide through for different options. You can also change the screen display, automatic updates, Apple CarPlay, and so forth. Volume and tuner, and then below is your climate control, so you can turn up your fan for a little more air, AC, max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. Down below, a couple of USB outlets and a 12-volt. And in the center, you have an armrest, as well as a couple of cup holders. This opens up for more storage, and then you can flip up the seat for an extra seating position. You have another seat belt there, and pull up the seat. You've got a couple of cup holders as well as some storage, and you can just flip those cup holders right out. You have a 12-volt, a locking glove compartment, an auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, as well as sunglass holder. There's a grab handle in the body, and that just makes it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome magnetic running board, chrome door handle, keyless entry keypad. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and your backup camera is just below that handle. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4- and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And when you're ready to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch. It comes down easily. It's a nicely lined box with tie downs in all 4 corners. You also have box link. And when you're ready, close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab and then lift up the seat. You now have more room on the floor. And when you're ready to bring it back down, simply pull the tab again and push. You have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. There's an all-weather mat for easy cleanup on the floor, as well as extra carpeted mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and down below you're seeing a couple of cup holders and a 12-volt. There's a grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting up above, and access to a big window in the rear. Chrome bumper, mud flap, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.